John Robert Zellner is an American civil rights activist. He graduated from Huntingdon College in 1961 and that year became a member of the Student Nonviolent Coordinating Committee as its first white field secretary. Zellner was involved in numerous civil rights efforts, including nonviolence workshops at Talladega College, protests for integration in Danville, Virginia, and organizing freedom schools in Greenwood, Mississippi in 1964. He also investigated the murders of Chaney, Goodman, and Schwerner that summer. Zellner was arrested and severely beaten for his activism several times. He left SNCC in 1966 but continued his civil rights activism. He later taught the history of the civil rights movement at Long Island University and published a memoir of his activism that was adapted into the 2020 film Son of the South. Zellner was arrested as recently as 2013 for protesting a North Carolina voter ID law. John Robert Zellner was born to James Abraham Zellner and Ruby Hardy Zellner on April 5, 1939, in Jay, Florida. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.